Good morning, my name is Sir Dave and welcome to my class. So Microsoft Word has features that allow you to make a layout of all the elements that you put on your document page to make your output attractive and interesting to read. So we will now work with our page layout. So page layout is the arrangement of elements such as margins, the numbers of columns, and page orientation on a page in your document, where you will see the page layout here in your Word document. So these elements can be seen under the Page Layout tab, which has several different functions such as changing the overall appearance of your document and arranging objects on a page. The page setup, the paragraph, and the arrange. So now let's customize our margins. So first, you need to click the Page Layout tab here, or the Layout tab, and then click the dialog box for the page setup, and then the page setup window will appear. So you will see here the margin sections from which you can set the desired margins of your document. As you can see, the unit of measurement used here is centimeter. So if you are not familiar with the centimeter, you can change the unit of measurement by clicking the file and then options. So how to do that? Okay, click the file, more options or options, and then the advanced, then scroll down to find the display and show measurements in units of. Click the drop down arrow and then click the inches, then click OK. So now the unit of measurement is in inches. So you can change the margins of your document by changing the value of the top, the left, the bottom, and the right. That's all for today. God bless.